Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can do wire transfer on PNC Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, there are really simple steps that you have to follow through. Make sure to pay attention, and now simply go ahead, access your PNC. Then once you have done so, you will find there are plenty of options for you to actually do so. So the main options are actually 5. So for that, you have to do it from directly visiting the head of your local PNC bank branch. You cannot do it from your mobile banking option. You have to visit the local branch of PNC. Once you have went there, you simply have to request a wire transfer by simply going to the instructor or the employee in the bank and simply ask them the wire transfer request form along with the instructions. Now go ahead completely put in all the information of your recipient and then simply sign and give them the form. Then afterwards, simply go ahead, turn in the completed copy to a PNC bank employee to let them initiate the wire transfer. Then simply keep the copy with you once you have completed form for your records, along with the wire transfer disclosure statement, where you will find the code which your recipients needs to provide to their local PNC bank branch to receive the money. So these are the steps. Make sure to follow them along and you will be able to wire money. That is all, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.